Let me speak to you honestly for a moment. If you are a woman over 50 and you often reach for navy blue because it feels safe and reliable, I want to share something important with you. That navy you trust so much may actually be working against you. It tends to wash out your complexion, make your face look tired and dull, and cause you to blend into the background instead of letting your natural beauty and confidence shine through. I understand this feeling deeply because I experienced the same thing for many years. I believe navy made me look put together and elegant, yet I often felt invisible and older than I wished to appear. The truth is, fashion has moved forward. While many of us stayed with safe navy, a more beautiful and modern approach has emerged. The fisherman aesthetic, with rich, textured blues that bring light, depth, and life back to mature skin. Today, I would like to gently guide you through how to move away from that old, safe navy and transform blue into one of the most flattering and powerful colors in your wardrobe for 2026. If you have at least one navy piece in your closet right now, please leave a comment and tell me honestly, do you sometimes feel that your clothes are making you fade into the background? I truly hope you will stay with me until the end. And if you find this helpful, please subscribe so we can continue this journey together. I'm here for you. Now let's talk about something that can completely change the way you see blue forever. Blue is not just one single color. Its success depends entirely on how the fabric catches the light and interacts with your skin, especially as our skin pigments change with time. The wrong blue can make you look washed out and tired, while the right one instantly brings back brightness and life. So how do we choose the right shade? It all comes down to your skin's undertone. If you have cool undertones, those with pink or bluish hints, you need high-contrast, jewel-toned blues. Royal blue, sapphire, and bright cobalt are your strongest allies. These rich, saturated shades create beautiful clarity and stop your complexion from looking gray or flat. They give that crisp, luminous finish that makes mature skin look fresh and radiant. For those with warm undertones, yellow or golden tones, which many of us have, classic navy can feel too stark and actually fight against your natural glow. Instead, turn to the softer, muddier maritime palette. Teal, turquoise, and warm indigo. These greens-adjacent blues harmonize beautifully with golden skin instead of competing with it. They bring warmth and depth without looking harsh. And if traditional navy feels too strong or aging on you, there's a wonderful solution I call Blue Aura. A soft, healing blue-gray. It acts like a gentle reset button. This airy, sophisticated neutral flatters the delicate translucency of mature skin and makes everything look calmer and more expensive. Here are 3 practical 2026 skin tone fixes you can start using right away. First, to brighten a dull or sallow complexion, reach for Jelly Mint. This fresh, playful blue-green is like a hit of joy right next to your face. It instantly counteracts tiredness and gives the most beautiful lift. Second, for an elegant, modern, professional look with an eco-luxe feel, choose Transformative Teal. This shade quietly signals awareness and quiet luxury, while being a grounded, flattering alternative to old corporate navy. Third, to add beautiful, earthy depth, pair your blues with Amber Haze. This golden warm tone creates a natural, grounded contrast and perfectly captures the nature as muse feeling that's so strong this season. I've seen the difference myself, and with many women I've helped. One lady told me that after replacing her old navy cardigan with a Jelly Mint scarf near her face, her daughter asked if she had been on holiday. She looked that much brighter and more rested. Once you've found the blue that truly works with your biology, the next important step is to give it the right structure and shape, because even the most beautiful color can look frumpy if the cut and proportions are wrong. In the next part, we'll talk about the simple architecture tricks that will make your new blues look polished, flattering, and anything but boring. Once you've found the perfect blue that flatters your skin, the next question is, why does the outfit still sometimes look a bit boring or heavy? The answer is almost never the color itself, it's the structure. Many of us over 50 have been wearing boxy jackets and loose tops that swallow our shape, making even the most beautiful teal or sapphire look frumpy and shapeless. The good news? We don't need stiff, uncomfortable clothes to look polished. This year, we're moving towards something much kinder to the mature body: soft tailoring. These are sculpted pieces that gently define your figure without feeling like armor. Let me show you 3 simple but powerful principles that make all the difference. First, the verticality principle. When you wear a big block of solid blue, it can make a petite or mature figure look shorter and wider. The trick is to create smooth, uninterrupted vertical lines that guide the eye upward. Look for trousers with a clean vertical seam down the front, subtle pinstripes, or a jacket with contrasting side panels. These small details act like invisible arrows that elongate your silhouette instantly. I tried this with a plain teal top and wide-leg trousers. Before, the outfit made me look boxy. After adding a long cardigan with a vertical open front, I suddenly looked taller and much slimmer. The change was so noticeable that my sister asked if I had lost weight. Second, the high-rise pivot. This is the one change I wish I had made years earlier. In 2026, the high-rise trouser is truly non-negotiable. When the waist sits at your natural waistline instead of on your hips, it lengthens your legs and prevents that collapse. And a boxy look around the middle. Choose a slightly tapered or straight leg cut in your new blue shade. Pair it with a top that's tucked in, just a little at the front. You'll be amazed how much taller and more elegant you instantly appear. Third, replace those rigid blazers with soft sculpted layers. Think long coats or jackets that gently skim over the body rather than sitting stiffly on the shoulders. A subtle nip at the waist, even just a soft belt or a hidden dart, gives enough definition to stop the fabric from looking flat. These pieces move with you and feel comfortable all day long. One of my friends, a 58-year-old teacher, swapped her old boxy navy blazer for a softly tailored teal coat that skims her hips. She told me her students actually said she looked so much more stylish and energetic, all because of better proportions. Not because she bought expensive new clothes. These structural choices are the real foundation that makes your beautiful new blue shades work harder for you. Now tell me honestly in the comments, which one of these 3 principles do you want to try first? The vertical lines, the high-rise trousers, or the soft sculpted layers? I read every comment and would love to know where you're starting. After we've got the right shade and the right shape, there's still one missing piece that turns a nice blue outfit into something truly special: texture. You know that feeling when you look at an outfit and think, it's fine, but it's a bit flat? That flatness is exactly what makes even the prettiest blue look boring. The secret to fixing it is adding statement craft. Textures that create little plays of light and shadow so the fabric feels alive and interesting. This is where the fisherman aesthetic truly shines. We're stepping away from anything that looks brand new and stiff. Instead, we embrace materials that feel as if they've been gently loved over time. Start with French flax linen, not the crisp, perfect kind, but the softly rumpled, naturally softened linen in transformative teal or warm indigo. When you move, and it catches the light in the most beautiful, uneven way. I wore a linen shirt in amber haze to the market last week, and a lady actually stopped me to ask where I found such a lovely piece. It didn't look expensive. It looked treasured. Next, bring in heavy weathered knits and those gentle scuffed, timber-like textures. Think a chunky cardigan with a soft, slightly fuzzy surface, or a jacket that has that lived-in feeling. These textures add depth and make the whole look feel collected rather than perfectly matched. A simple tip: gently roll the sleeves or let the hem fall naturally. Never iron it too flat. That small imperfection is what makes it look quietly luxurious. You can also add expressive craft details that make the garment talk, even when the color is quiet. a 3D floral applique on the shoulder, then a touch of metallic jacquard on the cuff or liquid tailoring, soft satin knits and delicate pearl finishes. These little touches catch the light beautifully and stop the outfit from ever looking plain. And if you care about how your clothes are made, choose regenerative linen and organic cotton in amber haze or transformative teal. These fabrics have a natural texture that mimics tree bark or gentle water ripples. They feel wonderful against the skin and perfectly match the offline chic feeling. Clothes that celebrate the human touch instead of looking too perfect. Let me share a quick before and after. I used to wear a plain, smooth navy sweater that felt safe but boring. When I replaced it with a weathered teal knit that has subtle pearl stitching along the neckline, the whole outfit came alive. My daughter looked at me and said, Mom, this looks like something from a magazine." All I changed was the texture. Texture is the magic that makes your blue feel rich, personal, and expensive, without spending a fortune. Now that we understand how to bring life and depth to the fabric, the next beautiful step is learning how to put all these elements together in one harmonious, elegant look. Now that your blue has the perfect color, the right shape, and beautiful texture, it's time to put everything together in the most elegant way possible. Monochrome dressing, wearing different tones of the same color family, is the true peak of quiet luxury. It looks expensive and effortless at the same time, but there's one common mistake that can make even the most beautiful blue look heavy or boring: wearing one solid block of the same shade from head to toe. To avoid that block color trap, I always follow what I call the rule of 3. It's simple, practical, and once you understand it, your outfits will instantly look more expensive and sophisticated. First, create a seamless silhouette, or what I like to call your personal blue aura. Instead of using the exact same shade everywhere, gently mix tonal variations. For example, to pair a deep navy trouser with a soft slate silk blouse and layer a lighter blue aura knit cardigan on top. These subtle shifts in tone remove harsh visual breaks and allow the eye to glide smoothly upward, naturally elongating your frame and making you look taller and more graceful. Second, bring in the rule of 3 with different textures. I borrowed this idea from interior design because odd numbers always feel more interesting and balanced. A successful look needs 3 distinct textures in the same blue family. Imagine a matte wool trouser, a smooth silk camisole, and a chunky crochet cardigan. The contrast between matte, shiny, and textured creates beautiful depth while still keeping that calm, luxurious monochrome feeling. I tried this exact combination last month with a transformative teal outfit. Before, the look felt a little flat and safe. After adding those 3 textures, the whole outfit became so much richer and more interesting. Even my husband, who rarely notices details, commented that I looked really put together and elegant. Third, add a touch of asymmetry to keep the outfit feeling collected and modern rather than too perfectly matched. A soft off-the-shoulder drape, a gentle side slit on the skirt, or an uneven hem on the cardigan breaks the symmetry just enough to give the look personality and movement. And here's my favorite little secret for making monochrome truly special: strategic pops of joy. A tiny accent of electric fuchsia or jelly mint can wake the whole look up in the most beautiful way. It could be a bright fuchsia silk scarf tied loosely at the neck, or simply a mint green bag handle peeking out from your tote. These small rebellious touches show you have great style awareness without overpowering the serene blue base. One quick tip I always share with ladies who try this: when building a monochrome look, lay all the pieces on your bed first. Step back and check if your eye moves smoothly from top to bottom. If it stops anywhere, simply add or adjust one texture or tone until everything flows naturally again. Mastering monochrome this way turns your blue wardrobe from safe and ordinary into something quietly powerful, refined, and incredibly chic. With the full look now coming together so beautifully, The final touch that completes everything is the accessories. They are like the punctuation marks that make your entire outfit feel polished and memorable. After we've carefully chosen the right blue for our skin, given it beautiful structure, added rich texture, and mastered the art of monochrome dressing, there's one final layer that can quietly elevate the entire look: the accessories. For a blue outfit in 2026, accessories are no longer just practical items we grab at the last minute. They become the subtle tools that signal real style awareness. They show that you didn't just get dressed, you thoughtfully composed your look. Let's begin with the bags, because the right bag can transform even the simplest blue ensemble. This year, 3 bag trends are perfectly aligned with the fisherman aesthetic. First are metal handle bags. Inspired by Mathieu Blazy's iconic sardine bag at Bottega Veneta, these architectural, jewelry-like handles turn an everyday linen or cotton bag into something that feels like wearable art. The cool metallic shine against soft blue fabric creates a beautiful contrast that instantly makes the whole outfit look more expensive. Second, wood bead bags. These bring a warm, handmade, slightly rugged feeling that pairs wonderfully with the smoothness of silk or satin. The natural texture of the wood echoes the authentic, collected over time spirit of the fisherman aesthetic and adds just the right amount of earthy warmth. Third, and perhaps the most modern of all, is the coming undone look. As seen at both Chanel and Bottega Veneta under Louise Trotter's direction, we're now embracing slouchy, half-open suede totes. This relaxed silhouette feels modern, unfussy, and full of character. Like a confident woman who's always gently on the move. My tip is simple. Don't fill it completely. Let it slouch naturally. That effortless imperfection is exactly what makes it chic. Now let's talk about shoes, because they have the power to make or break the length of your silhouette. The smartest and most comfortable choice this year is pointed toe flats. They elegantly extend the visual line of your leg without the wobble of heels, giving a long, graceful finish to your high-rise trousers. But here's the detail that makes the biggest difference: the nude pivot. Please stop settling for the same generic beige that doesn't quite match your skin. Many brands, including Ally, now offer 6 different nude shades. Take a few minutes to find the one that truly blends with your skin tone. Then when the shoe disappears seamlessly into your leg, there's no break at the ankle. This small change maximizes the elongating effect of your high-rise blue trousers and makes your legs look noticeably longer and slimmer. I once wore the same high-rise navy trousers with the wrong shoe color and felt the outfit looked cut off and shorter. The day I switched to a perfectly matched nude flat, the same trousers suddenly made me look taller and more elegant. The difference was striking, yet it cost me nothing extra. Choose your accessories with care, and they will quietly polish your blue look, making it feel complete, intentional, and quietly luxurious. With all these pieces now in place, color, structure, texture, monochrome, and accessories, you finally have everything you need to build a truly anti-boring blue wardrobe that makes you feel confident and beautiful every single day. And there you have it, my dear. We've walked together through every step, from understanding why navy was quietly holding us back to discovering the most flattering blues for mature skin, building better structure, adding rich textures, mastering elegant monochrome dressing, and finally finishing with thoughtful accessories. You now have everything you need to transform blue from a safe default into your most powerful, flattering, and confident color in 2026. Remember, this isn't about following trends perfectly. It's about gently releasing what no longer serves you and choosing pieces that make you feel seen, beautiful, and fully yourself. Start small. Pick just one thing this week. Maybe a transformative teal shirt, a high-rise trouser, or a soft weathered knit. Try it, take a photo, and notice how you feel. You deserve to look as vibrant and alive as you truly are. If this video spoke to your heart, I would be so grateful if you leave a comment and share which part touched you the most. And please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so we can continue this beautiful journey of style and confidence together. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'm truly here for you. Until next time, take care and wear your blue with joy.